how to connect 11 labs to n8n step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect 11 labs to n8n. And yes, we are doing completely free. So first, we will set up a connection step by step so you can start sending text to 11 labs and getting back realistic AI generated voice right inside your n8n. So let me just show you a preview. So as you can see here, when I have added this node of 11 labs and I have connected with the n8n. Now I have added this simple text. Let's execute this step. Uh, Let me wait for a few seconds and wait for a few seconds. It will start regenerating our voice. Now, as you can see, the 11 labs node has been generated this output. Just simply download this and let me play this. You will not be able to hear voice. Let me just fix that. So again,
Move what it take to do in the
as you
lab.
can see, we have successfully generated our voice. So now let's get started and see how you can connect your n8n to 11 labs. So first thing first, what you need is just simply remove this. And first thing you need is n8n. So if you are haven't set up any account in n8n, just go into description and click on the link. You will get 15 days free trial. Now, next what you need is 11 labs. So as you can see, I am on the 11 labs website. You have to go to this URL and sign up with your account. So I have already did that. So just let me sign up. And after creating your account in 11 labs, something will look like this. So from here, you have to go to in left side bottom, click on that. And from there, you have to go to settings. And from the setting, you will need to go to API keys. And from there, you have to go to create API keys. So it will basically create your API key. So it is very necessary to create an API key. Now just simply click on it. And after clicking on that API key button, something will look like in front of you. So over here, you have to give access what this API can access, like credit limit, text to speech to speech, and speech to text, all of these things. Now, you can just simply just customize based on your needs, but I will just remove this so I can get access of all the features. Now just simply click on the create button and copy this API key and get back to your n8n. And from here, what you need to do is just from the left, you have to search for 11 labs. If you haven't downloaded this node, you will get the install button. You have to just simply click on that install button. And right now you will get two options like triggered and action. So we need a voice. So I will choose get a voice and something will look like this. Okay, we have to choose the resource, which is speech. So we are going to create speech. Now from here, you have to choose voice like let's say I will choose this one. Now, before doing all of this, what you have to do is create new credentials. So I'm using the hosted version. The same method will apply on the prod version as well. So click on this create credential and paste this API key into this API key section. And then click on the save button. So it will test the connection and it will return the connection tested successfully. So it means our 11 labs and n8n has been connected successfully. Now let's try how you can generate the voice. So right now I'm here, I will add text. Let's say, hello, my name is Rocket and this is testing phase. And then execute this step. Now, as you can see here, it generated this voice. Let's see.
Hello, my name is Rocket, and this testing phase.
So as you can see, we have successfully generated our voice. Now, after connection, you can do a lot of things, like you can automate voice generation from text, you can create audio alert or voice notification, you can integrate 11 labs with your workflow, like sending AI generated voice messages to email or WhatsApp, or even uploading them to a Google. So now let's test we will create a short YouTube script using this. So just simply delete this. We will create from scratch. So I need AI agent first. Just search AI agent. So this will be very simple workflow. So from where, when chat message is received, it will go through this chat model, which I'm going to use Gemini, which is free chat model. You can use it too. You need to just create credential for that. So I have already created a video on that, how you can create credential for Gemini. Just go and watch that video. Now click on this AI agent button. From the connected chat trigger node is to, you have to define. So basically over here, you can just add your prompt. So I will go into chat GPT and I will say to ChatGPT that create a system prompt to generate a 20-second script. Let's see. Now, just simply copy this prompt and get back to your n8n and paste this prompt. Now, this prompt look like this. You are a short, let me just create bigger. You are a professional short form video script writer. Your job is to create a 20-second script that hooks the audience in the first 3 seconds, clearly delivers the main message or value. So I will, one more thing I will add. So we will add a video topic, just simply through dynamic way. Now let's execute our first step. So something will look like this. So let me think. So how to use automation in our day-to-day life. So it will send this and it will generate a basic script. So first time I will say that it will not generate the exact script what we want, but we have to just simply add this chat input to this over here. So the AI agent and chat model can understand what we want. Just let me copy this and paste it over here. Now let's execute this step again. Now we have get the successful AI agent script. Let's go into table. Okay, it's look good. You can just simply reform or you can rephrase this script. So I will just show you how you can connect with this AI agent to 11 labs. So search for 11 labs node. And from here, you have to choose the actions like get many voices, created a voice clone. So I will choose get a voice. From the resources, I will choose speech. And into the speech, I will choose, first I will choose this voice, which voice I want to use. And this output, you have to drag this into this text section. So what it will do, it basically, this is a dynamic value. So whatever output came from AI agent, it will execute that. Now let's execute this step. Wait for a few seconds. Now, as you can see, we got a voice. Just simply download and let's see how it
Here's
works.
a 20-second script for your video. Voiceover. Tired of repetitive daily tasks? 3 plus 15 seconds.
So it's quite good. You have to do a lot of customization in the script as well, and 11 labs as well. So that's it for today's video. And if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.